How to start Forex trading for complete beginner. Yes, if you're a complete beginner, you know where to start. Maybe you haven't even heard anything about Forex, so you want to know the steps. In this video, I'm going to tell you the step-by-step process you are supposed to follow in order to have a successful Forex trading career. Because you have to understand that Forex trading is a business. So if you don't follow the right path, you are going to be lost for a very long time before you find yourself, if you can even find yourself. So without further ado, we are going to, sorry about that, hold on a sec. This just popped up now. Okay, sorry, that's out of the way. So we are going to outline 4 steps in which you will follow to have a successful Forex trading. So the very first thing you're supposed to do is go for knowledge. So number 1 is go for knowledge. And knowledge, just like in any field, tomorrow now you want to be you haven't driven a car before. If you want to learn how to drive, you have to go for the knowledge. Don't just enter the car and start driving. You're gonna get yourself killed. So the same thing is applicable to Forex. You need the very first thing you need to do is to go for knowledge. But it's so funny that what most people do is they start trading even without getting an adequate knowledge. So where do you go? How do you source for knowledge? Number 1, you can get knowledge through Google. You can go to Google and type some basic question, what is Forex? And from there, another site which is very good, which you can go for basic beginner knowledge, is on BYBIT. Go to your browser, type BYBIT.com. You're gonna read some materials there. And then the third place you can acquire knowledge is through YouTube. And one of the favorite YouTube channels to learn Forex for free is here, Apex Trading Academy. So that's why you're supposed to subscribe to the channel and go through all our old videos. There is a playlist on Forex free education. Exhaust that playlist. So that is where another place to get yourself started. Then another way to shorten your learning curve is to look for any community, any trading floor that has a course or offers a mentorship program. You can enroll for that and pay. But the first 4 I mentioned for you is free. It's only this last one that you can pay. If you have the money, you shorten your learning curve and pay. Then once you have gotten the knowledge, the next step you need to take is open a brokerage account. Who is a broker? By then, if you have gotten your adequate knowledge, you have to know that there is what you call broker in the Forex. A broker is something that links you to the market. So now, when you open your brokerage account, if you have gone for knowledge, you have to know that we have 2 types of accounts. You have what you call a demo account, which the full meaning is demonstration account. And we have what you call a live account, which is a real account. So it's being recommended that you trade in demo so that you make those beginner mistakes. After that, when you must have getting your feet wet enough, you can now go for a live account where you put in your real life money and trade. And it's recommended that as a beginner, when you even want to go live, don't put more than 10% of your total net worth, because even when trading live, your emotions are gonna play out. There are some things in demo that you will not really experience until you see it in real account, and one of them is your trading psychology or emotion. So that's why when you are going real for the very first time, you have to fund the amount you can afford to lose. Then, how do you get a brokerage firm? Because you have many scam brokers there. So check the link in the description and sign up with our recommended broker. That's our recommended broker. So once you have opened your brokerage account, the next thing you need to do, step number 3, is by then you must have, in your learning process, you must have developed what you call a trading system. and you have mastered your trading system. One thing is to develop your trading system is the entirety of both your trading plan. That's when you start talking about strategy. That's when you start talking about risk management and so many things. By then you must have developed it. If you are learning on your own, remember number one step, which is going for knowledge. So if you have been learning on your own, you must have developed this. But if you have gone for a mentorship or whatever, then the person, the institution, the person that is teaching you or the institute you are learning from will now hand you their strategy, their risk management template and everything. You just need to master it. So mastery is for those who bought a mentorship program, while developing is for you are starting from afresh, googling, using baby pips and so many things. So one of the ways to shorten this is also, we have made some videos on strategy in this channel. You can watch it. We have made a video on risk management, picking the right lot size, and we're going to make future videos. So that's why you need to subscribe. So subscribe to the channel and comment any other topic you want us to discuss, and we are ever ready to make that video for you. So the next step in your trading journey is you need to stay teachable. So no matter what you have learned, you have to know that the market is ever dynamic. So you have to be the student of the market by saying teachable. So these are the 4 steps in which if you follow, you are going to find yourself being a profitable trader. So let's recap, or you are going to avoid the majority of the mistakes beginner traders make. So step number 1, go for knowledge. Step number 2, open a brokerage account and use the link in the description to open an account with our recommended broker. Number 3, master or develop a trading system. And in a trading system is the entirety of both trading plan, trading strategy, risk management, trading psychology, and so many things. And remember that in trading strategy, you have what we call analysis, and we have many types of analysis. We have the technicals, we have the fundamentals, we have the sentimental. So all those things is what you are going to build up in the trading system. And the next thing is stay teachable, because the market is always right and you are going to be the student of the market. So this is where the video is going to end. Till next time, stay subscribed and peace out.